Hey folks, it's Greg Rice. We're here at Nexus Property Management's headquarters in Pawtucket, Rhode Island, and one of our viewers asked us to make a video about what to do when a tenant complains of high utility costs. So for example, the tenant complains that her electric bill is too high or his gas bill is too much. Now, technically, this really isn't your direct responsibility because the tenant is using utilities and they're paying the utility company for what their usage is. Now, you do want to be diplomatic when it comes to dealing with this situation because, as you know, an unhappy tenant is never a good thing. So what I'm going to do now is go over 3 potential courses of action that you can take to potentially deal with this problem. Now, the first one is you can reduce the rent in good faith. So for example, we recently had a tenant whose electric bill exceeded $500 per month, and the rent on her apartment was about $1,300. So imagine paying your rent or your mortgage and your utility bill was almost half of that. It becomes unbearable and you probably would think about moving. So what the owner did in this case is he reduced the tenant's rent by $50 a month in total and absolute good faith. Now, the tenant was extremely happy that he did that because he didn't have to. However, she still has to deal with the high electric bill, but this will help offset her expenses and ultimately reduce the potential for a vacancy, which is your worst enemy when it comes to this business. Now, the second option for you here is you can look into perhaps why the utility bill is so much. And a couple things that jump into my mind immediately is that with heating, when you have a high heating bill, it's usually because there's poor insulation in the building or no insulation. So what you could do is you can go check out the building and see, are there insulators in the building, in the walls, in the roofs, in the basement, which usually there's not, especially with older houses. So you could put insulation in, whether it's traditional rollout insulation or blown-in insulation. And that's very, very effective because it gets in all those nooks and crannies. So that's something you could potentially do. Also, we've seen sometimes where utilities are actually mixed up with other units. That's right, intermingled. So a first floor and a second floor are mixed together by accident. Who knows? Or maybe it was an older house and they added that apartment later. There's many factors, but that could also be a potential reason why that bill is so high. So you could look into splitting those utilities, making those correct, but that can get expensive, okay? And the third and final suggestion is really not the greatest, but you could tell the tenant, I'm sorry, but there's nothing I can do. I'm not affiliated with the utility company. I'm not affiliated with what rates they charge, okay, things like that. Really just distancing yourself from the situation. And overall, I would say that's probably your least effective solution. It is one, but really you're just stiff-arming the situation, pushing it away, kicking that can down the road. We would suggest looking into solving the problem, or as I mentioned first, reducing the rent. Okay, so that's 3 ways that you can handle that situation. If you have a suggestion, just let us know. Once again, this is Gregory. We're here at Nexus Property Management, your property managed.